Now we are going to look at how to edit an image in your email. To get started, I've selected a template containing an image. To edit an image, hover over it and click to edit. Under the Image tab, you have the option to replace, edit, and link the image. The Replace option allows you to change the current image. You can upload your own image or select one from our free gallery of stock images, graphics, and patterns. You can also choose from one of your already saved images. Once you have chosen an image, you can click Edit if you would like to make changes to it. Here you can add text, apply a filter, transform the image, and more. Hover over the left-hand menu for the list of available options. When you're finished with your edits, click Export in the top right corner. To change the size of the image, click the Resize button. Here you can adjust the image's width and height. Click Apply and then Save to make your changes. To link your image to a website page, just enter the URL in the link box. Keep in mind that many email providers automatically block images. You can insert some descriptive text so it won't be blank for your readers. If you would like to adjust the image block's border or spacing, select the Style tab. The spacing options allow you to adjust the image's position. If you would like to adjust the spacing of the content block as a whole, use the padding sliders to adjust the amount of space above and below the content block. And with that, you're ready to edit images.